So I got new rain visors from Real Truck, and I decided to paint match them. This is how it turned out. Not too bad for a first timer. They look all right. Paint I used was from Automotive Touched Up. They mix the paint excellent. All the spraying is by me. So any flaws you see is obviously the painter, not the company the paint came from. But they're low profile, as you can see, and they really gave the truck a different kind of look. I dig it. I think they look pretty good. So yeah, here's a couple clips and I'll let you guys check them out some more.